What's up guys, we're going to do some nice and easy Christmas tree chocolate lollies, so let's get straight into what's needed for it. First job is to spread the chocolate spread onto the puff pastry, so let's get straight into that. So what I've done is I've just melted this slightly for about 30-40 seconds in the microwave. So you want to try and do an even layer all across the whole of the pastry. Just try and get it around all the corners as well. We sprinkle a little bit of just regular sugar on there. You can use brown sugar, any sugar you've got your hands on. Just sprinkle that across the top. And then we'll place another sheet on top. Just going to give this a wash, and then we're just going to cut these into strips. So you want these to be, if you cut them into strips, you want them to be around 1 inch. They can be approximately, you don't need to measure them exact. So I've cut 10 out of there and I've left that, so that's excess, so we'll be able to cut the stars. So I'm just going to make these. So instead of wasting this, we can always egg wash this, stick it in the oven, and you've got another little bit of a sweet treat. So now we've got everything cut and prepped. We've got the sticks and we've left these to soak to make sure they don't burn when they go in the oven. So we're just going to make these. So you want to hold it like that. You kind of want to do a zigzag, and as you're coming down, you'll go bigger. Might be a bit easier for you. And then a point. Push the stick up the way through, and then put the star on top of the Christmas tree. So you're looking for this. So there's one. This is a perfect little thing you can do with the family or friends. So Mitch, if you want to come and give me a hand, it would be absolutely great.
How does that look? I mean, is that...
Yeah, that's good.
Is that
Spot on.
right?
Spot on. So we're using a non-stick tray. If you've not got a non-stick tray, you can always use greaseproof paper. Oh my God. So I'm just going to set this aside, and then we're going to get on to egg washing these. So we're going to separate the egg. So we only need to use the yolk. Let's give that a good mix. And we're just going to brush this on. This is just to allow it to go nice and golden in the oven. So now they're all done, we're going to get these in the oven for 180 degrees for around 15 minutes, but we're just going to check them throughout. So now they're all done, we're just going to leave them to cool for a little bit, and then we're just going to finish off with a bit of ice and sugar. So now they're done, they're cooled down, we're just going to place these on here and then just give them a dusting of the ice and sugar. So there we have it, Christmas tree chocolate lollies. Enjoy.